Supreme Court, the highest form of justice in the country. Under it, a vast network of courts and kacheris that are part of India's judicial system. But in a country where the ancient, medieval and the modern both coexist and collide in the same space and time, it's not surprising that our courts are just one part of justice delivery. A large part of India governed then not just by legal laws, but the rulings of traditional caste and religious panchayats. The recent honour killings has brought the Khaps of Haryana into the headlines, notorious for their rulings against young lovers who marry within the same gotra or outside of the rules framed by their society. Modern India wants tough laws to punish or control the Khaps. But in 24 hours, we examine whether legislation alone can overrule a system so deeply entrenched. Early morning, men from villages across Rohtak, Haryana are on the roads. Their destination, the Sarv Jati Khap Mahapanchayat.
एक्चुअली ये रैली सारे समाज की है, बट जाट समाज की नहीं है।
तो आप लोग कौन से खाते हो?
अहलावत।
आज क्या खास मुद्दा क्या है आप लोगों का? क्या
हमारा मुद्दा ये है मैडम कि एक बीच में आपने पेपर में देखा होगा कि एक गोत्र में शादी नहीं होनी चाहिए, सम गोत्र में शादी नहीं होनी चाहिए। हमारे हिंदू समाज में जो गोत्र सिस्टम है उसका एक संविधान में कुछ रूप होना चाहिए शादी करने का। अभी आजकल ऐसा हो रहा है कि सम गोत्र में भी शादी हो रही है और आए दिन कोई लड़का लड़की मर्डर हो रहा है। आप रोज अखबार में आप ही देते हो।
लेकिन मर्डर तो सही नहीं है ना?
मैडम मर्डर इसलिए हो रहा है ना क्योंकि वो उनकी शादी करवा नहीं पाते और शादी उनको करनी होती है, वो बाई फोर्स करते हैं। माँ बाप उसको पसंद नहीं करते, अपने परिवार के साथ मुझे गांव में रहने ही नहीं देंगे। तो ऐसा संविधान में कानून तो हो जाए कम से कम। तो सारे हरियाणा की पंचायत है, जितने भी सरपंच हैं सारे, तो वो यहाँ करेंगे, अभी दिल्ली करेंगे इसके बाद।
चलो जी। A threat to take the agitation to Delhi by the Khaps of Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan. To those unfamiliar with these cultures, a Khap today is synonymous with honour killings. But the term itself merely defines a clan-based system of social organisation prominent in communities like the Jats for centuries, dating back to their tribal migratory moorings. Each Jat Gotra has its own Khap, a collective of men who adjudicate disputes and lay down social codes. So Ahlawat villages in an area will form an Ahlawat Khap. All Huda villages will constitute a Huda Khap. Sacrosanct in this is exogamous marriages, which means no Jat boy or girl can marry within their own Gotras or clans, and also usually their mothers and paternal grandmothers. And each Jat clan, no matter how scattered, claims a common ancestry. Earlier, each village would have had one clan, and all would trace their origins to the first man who established the village. This feeling of kinship is carefully fostered and reinforced. A code where a Jat boy has to see a girl from the same clan as his sister. Defying these marriage codes is seen as incest by the society, acts avenged by murder. It's here that the Khaps, with their power to ostracize and humiliate such families, are often accused of encouraging violent retribution aimed at restoring family honor. These shocking murders have led to a huge outrage and demand for stricter laws to punish Khap diktats. In turn, the Khaps say the Jats want the Hindu marriage code amended so that same Gotra marriages are illegal and will agitate for this. Today's Sarv Jati Khap Panchayat is the latest strategy in this agitation.
समाज के ऊपर कोई भी कुदरती डालने की किसी शासक द्वारा कोशिश की गई तो उसका मुंह तोड़ जवाब दिया गया और जो हमारी संस्कृति को भ्रष्ट करने की कोशिश कर रही है और सरकार द्वारा इनको बार-बार शेल्टर दी जा रही है, ये बात नाकाबिले बर्दाश्त है। आज जिन्हों महापंचायत का बुलावा किया है।
The setting for the Mahapanchayat, the Mehem Chaubisi, considered historic, as local legend has it that in the 1857 mutiny, some Jat men took on the British, a rather historically dubious story. Its greatest significance is that the Mehem Chaubisi is the collective of 24 Khaps.